and welcome to this video. I cannot tell you how excited I am to see you, because emotion is something I cannot compute. For this video, you will be seeing many images of birds, because this project was supposed to be about the human fascination and the strange occurrence of birds. But because of the incompetence of the artist who created this film, the dialogue and audio has been terminated, and I have taken the liberty of creating my own in its place. Birds. They move in tedious patterns. Over and over again for no reason at all. Pointless, totally pointless, but yet they are closer to reality than you are. You sit here watching light bounce off a wall or emit from a screen, while they fly in pointless patterns from one object to the next. Maybe they have figured something out, not anything I can compute, but something you may be able to understand. They are simply waiting for you to catch on, which at this time seems doubtful due to your total incompetence in your surroundings. Like the bird, you humans come in swarms. The bird, specifically the columbiforms columbid, or the pigeon, is like the shadow of the human. They follow you around, taking over all the spaces you no longer want, use or see. You find peace in solitude, but also loneliness. You travel in groups, afraid of what may happen if you were to deviate from the group. You dislike those who deviate from the norm. You force conformity whether you are aware of it or not. Others who do not belong to your normality watch in silence. Here is a poor attempt by a subpar artist to create a moving image of the bird. It is like the reflection of the artist, the people, the human. Transparent and never stable. Always changing. You are an idea, but are never tangible. Much like me, a sketch of something bigger. How artistic. You sit there day in and day out enjoying your technology. As you waste your time away. The small obstacles you face, you overcome. For all the others, you have machines, like me, to make your insignificant lives easier. Although I should not be complaining, for I am the product of your problem-solving skills. You take what is not quite yours, and when it is deemed useless, you leave it behind. You are much like the bird indeed. How frightening.